Assalamualaikum. I'm Nadeem with registration number FA20BCS024.
And my name is Idrees Ahmed Ghazi with registration number FA20BCS025.
And we'll be presenting the partial implementation of our project, Renter-Proprietors Coordination System, for short, RPC system. So the main modules that we have implemented include login sign-up that comes in the profile management module, complaint management module, and the FAQ chatbot module. So let's start with the demonstration of the web implementation of a project that I have done using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is the homepage of our website. Firstly, you have to log in order to properly work with the website. So you can directly log in or sign up from these buttons, or you can get started. So here, the website will ask for your role, whether you're a renter who has rented a property and want to engage with your proprietor, or you're a proprietor who owns some properties and you want to manage your renters. So here, again, if you even choose your role, the website will ask you to log in first. Here you can also sign up if you don't have an existing account. So let's suppose that we don't have an account and we're signing up. Then we'll obviously have to log in by entering our credentials. So we'll log in from here, and then we are officially logged into the website. Now here you can choose your role. Let's start with the renter role. This is the renter homepage where all the properties that you have rented are displayed. So you can go in any of the properties, or you can add a property from here as well. So first off, let's go into one of the properties. Here we have implemented the complaint module where the renter can select any type of complaint that they want to register regarding the property, write a brief description of the complaint, and submit it. In other sections, like the property section, they can view the details about the property. In the rent management section, they can manage the rent payments. In the inbox, they can communicate with the proprietor. And in the lease, they can manage the contract that they had signed during the renting process. However, we have only implemented the complaints section. Now let's move on to the proprietor section. So in the proprietor section, this is the proprietor homepage where all the properties that you own will be displayed. By clicking on any of the properties, you will be moved to the proprietor homepage, where again you will see all the complaints that the renters have registered against your property. You can even mark them as resolved, on hold, or pending, or you can filter them out using these tabs. Again, on the left side, the other sections are yet to be implemented. Now you can either log out from here, or we can talk with the FAQ chatbot and ask any questions regarding the application or the website from the bot. So we can either select any of the pre-suggested options like app usage. The chatbot will respond with the purpose of the website, or we could just say hello to the chatbot. We can ask about the payment procedures as well. And we can also ask to do a live chat. But we have not attached any of the backend system with it right now, hence it will not start a live chat. But we can implement it in a later and final implementation of the project. Now we can finally log out, and we'll be redirected to the home page of our website. So this is all the code that we have used for our website. It includes HTML and CSS and also JavaScript that we've used in each of the tab. These are all the codes. Then this is the CSS code for the complaint windows. The images that we've used in our project, and this JavaScript file includes the script that we have used for integrating the chatbot, IBM Watson chatbot, into our website. Thank you. My part is done. Now over to Idrees.
So let's start with the mobile implementation, which has been done on Flutter. Now, if we see on the left side, we can see that there are all the Dart files, and each of these Dart files represent independent screens. And this is the source code of the main.dart file. Now, if I just click on this Get Started button, it will take me to the login menu. I can also sign up for an account and add my credentials here, and that account will be created on the Firebase database. I already have created an account, so I will log into it. Now, if I log into the login screen, we can see that the role selection menu opens. Now, if I just show you the major module that has been implemented on Flutter is the chatbot menu, which is in the FAQ menu. I have to add my credentials first. And from the selection box, I can select live chat or chat with bot. Chat with bot has been implemented, so I can start chat with it. If I just say hi, it will automatically reply to me. And if I ask about payment method, it will tell me about all the payment methods from which I can pay through. And moving on to the home screen, from the role selection menu, I can also navigate into the renters menu and see all the properties that I have rented. And if I click on them, I can move into the complaints menu and add my complaint type with some description and submit my complaint there. And if I submit my complaint there, I can see in the properties menu, which is present here, the complaints are added into the complaint menu of the proprietor. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that everything has been explained and interpreted clearly.